everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick full body flow with light weights. So if you have them, feel free to use them, but if you don't, you absolutely don't need them. We're going to start by sitting on our mat. If you've got ankle weights, you can place those on your ankles, and we're going to lean back and just do a couple of toe taps, warming up our core, engaging the belly, keeping those shoulders down. We're going to go for 8, 7, really hinging at the hip, 6, finding a long line, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. From here, we're going to lower down all the way, extending our legs out, bringing our arms over our heads, finding that beautiful stretch. Flex those feet hard, circle the arms around, exhale, peel the body up, folding at the waist. Really reach for your feet and stack the spine tall. Again, we're going to melt the spine down, bone by bone, really articulating and reaching up and over. Circling the arms around and exhale, peel up, bone by bone. Really articulating, finding a long spine, breathing here, and stacking up tall. Again, let's do 3 more. Pelvis pulls under, slowly articulating, really rounding at the lower back, and reaching those arms up and over, circling them out and around. Exhale, scoop, and roll up. 1 more. Up and over with the arms. Really find your beautiful stretch. Circle them around. Exhale, roll it up. Reach for those feet. Sitting up tall, we're going to lean back with our torso and rotate. Keep those feet flexed. Find a nice rotation around the spine. Breathing here. Exhale for 5. 5, long neck. 4. Keep those hips pointing forward. 3, 2, really working the obliques. 1 and 1. Beautiful. From here, we're going to lower all the way down, bringing our arms at our sides, extending the right leg up to the ceiling. Flex the left foot. We're going to make little circles for 10, keeping those hips super still. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's reverse it. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Really straighten that leg. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the leg. Switch sides, flex that right foot, point the left one, make little circles, keep those hips still. 2, 3, 4, keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, how pointed can you make your toe? 8, 9, and 10. Relax those shoulders. Let's reverse it. 10, 9, 8, pull the belly button in. 7, 6, 5, keep your legs super straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower that leg down, placing your feet on the mat. We're going to tuck the pelvis up, find a long line from your head to your knees. Make sure your legs are directly underneath the knee, and we're going to melt the spine down, really articulating and releasing at the bottom. Let's do 3 like this. Up, find that long line, melt the spine down. 1 more here, rolling it up. Beautiful. We're going to dip the hips down an inch, exhale them up an inch. 1, 2, squeeze the booty. 3, 4, 5, keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more. 10, stay here. Bring your heels together, your toes apart. Keep those hips really high. Pulse those knees away for 10, 9, to the corners of the room. 8, 7, level hips. 6, press those arms down into the mat. 5, 4, working the outer thigh. 3, 2, 1. Good. Lower it down, bone by bone. Releasing at the bottom. You're going to bring one leg up into tabletop, reach the other leg out, and we're going to switch. We go 1, 2, wide elbows. 3, keep breathing. 4, point those toes. 5, lengthen the neck. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Hold this position. Rotate your torso to the knee, and we switch. 1, 2, wide elbows. 3, take your time. 4, keep breathing. 5, no stopping. 6, really reach. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Grab onto your shins, roll up, find your balance, breathe here. We're going to roll it back and exhale, sit up tall. Take your time, tighten the belly, and again, 2. Exhale, roll it back, and 3. Keep breathing, guys. 4. Balance. 2 more. 5. Find a long spine. And 6. Beautiful. We're going to roll back down now. Try and make it pretty. Flex your feet. We're going to pull it in. We go 1. 1. Feel the stretch. 2. 2. Keep breathing. 3. Flex those feet. 4. Wide elbows. Try not to rock your hips. 5, 6, 7. Let your breath facilitate the movement. 8, 9. One more. 10. And rest. Place your hands underneath your head. Let your head be heavy. Reach those legs long. We're going to open them out. Exhale, pull them into the midline. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Beautiful. Bend those knees. Roll back up. We're going to take those weights off. You can keep them on if you want, but we're going to go on to all fours now. No need to take them off if you don't want to. And you're going to open that leg out and pull it under. 1 and 2. Square hips. 3. Keep breathing. 4. Make it pretty. 5. Long neck. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Extend that leg out. Bend it under. 1. Reach it long. 2. If weights are going to sacrifice your form, then don't use them. 3, 4. Really reach. Keep those hips level. 5, 6. Point your toes. 7. Drop those shoulders. 8, 9, and 10. Lower the leg, bend it under. Let's go to the other side. So here we go. We're going to open it out like a peeing dog. 1, 2. Square hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really fire that glute. 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Extend that leg out. Bend it under. 1. Reach it long. Find that butt. 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, really reach, no locking of the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Lower the leg, finding a plank position. You can go on your elbows if you want, or on your arms, but for this, we're just gonna rock back and forth for 10, 9, 8, 7, belly in, 6, 5, 4, squeeze that butt, 3, 2, and 1, lower it down. For this one, I'm gonna go back onto my hands, but you can stay on your elbows if you want. We're gonna reach back out, find your line, make sure your arms are underneath your shoulders. We're gonna lift the leg and lower it down. 1, point those toes. 2, 2, 3, 3, keep breathing. 4, make it smooth. 5, only 5. Lower it down. And to finish off, we're gonna make some arm circles with the weights. If you have them, feel free to use them. You don't need them. Find your position. You can either kneel, stand, or sit, but make sure whichever position you choose that your alignment is not compromised. Squeeze the butt, shoulders down, little circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, belly in, 4, 3, 2, 1. We reverse. We go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Tap the shoulders. Open the arms. 1, 2. Keep the elbows from locking. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep those elbows right where they are. 7. Only the lower part of the arm moves. 8, 9, and 10. Keep the arms just like this. Bring them directly in front of yourself. Make little circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We reverse. 10, 9, belly in, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the arms down. We're just going to dip and sit up tall. Square those hips off. Really use those obliques. Exhale to lift. 2. Exhale to lift. Squeeze the booty. Keep your shoulders down. 3, 3, 4, 4. Keep breathing. 5. Find your grounding. 5. Exhale. 6, 6, 7, 7. Only the upper half moves. 8, 8. 2 more. 9, 9. 1 more. 10. And 10. To finish off, we're going to sit in a mermaid position. Bring your right arm over your head. You can hold your weight, reach up and over, and sit up tall. 1. Reaching, find your stretch, sit up tall. 2. Exhale, breathing. 3, 2 more. 4, 1 more. 5, stay in this position. We're going to bend and extend the elbow for 10, 9, 8, drop the shoulder. 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit up tall. Other side, bring the right leg in front, the left leg in back. Bring your left arm up and over. We reach. And 1, sit up tall. 2, keep breathing. Try and keep those hips down. 3, really lengthen. Find a long line from your left sit bone to your left finger. 3, 2 more, reaching up and over. 4, 1 more. And 5, staying here. Bend that elbow, reach up, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try and keep your shoulder down, keep it smooth. 7, 8, belly in. 9, 1 more. And 10, sit up tall. And there you have it, friends, your quick full body flow. I hope you feel energized and are ready to do whatever you have lined up for the rest of the day. I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.